Since spring is usually the busiest time for real estate transaction, I thought I'd give you a few tips to help you out. Tip 1, start early. I mean, Canada, we have the spring market. I mean, it doesn't feel like spring, like I'm wearing this sweater, and spring lasts for like 2 days before the summer hits. So if you're thinking of making a move, get a head start on the rest of the market before everything catches on and moves too fast. You'll want to figure out what's important to you, where you want to go, what areas you want to be, what kind of houses you want to be. But most importantly, we need to know what your finances are. That takes me to tip number 2. Get pre-approved before you start looking. You'll want to get all your finances in order so you can know what you're approved for and what you can afford and what you'd like to spend. There's nothing more frustrating than finally finding that perfect house to find out the bank won't give you the money. Save yourself some heartache. So just get pre-approved before you start searching. Tip number 3, prepare your home. If you're looking for a new home, you can't afford to neglect this part and just look for your dream home without preparing the repairs or renovations on your current home. Start packing up everything you don't really need, declutter, start throwing things out, get ready to sell your home. It can save you a lot of time and a lot of stress because once you find your perfect home, those timelines aren't very long. Get a head start. I know you've all been watching Marie Kondo anyways, so find some joy in your space. Tip number 4, don't forget to enjoy the process. Springtime real estate can be very busy and sometimes it can be overwhelming. Don't get caught up on all the what ifs. Just enjoy the house hunting process. What can you live with? What can't you live without? Allow yourself to fall in love with a house, but make sure you're pre-approved first. Anyways, that's it for this week. If you're thinking of making a move this spring or next spring, it's always good to have a head start. So let's talk. And until then, I'll see you next Wednesday.